Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to Shubham Pearls. Today we are showcasing few of very beautiful chokers which are going on sale today on website. These are all beautiful chokers, Andy. This one we have 3 colors in this. Then this is also going live at unbelievable prices. Then this is one more design. We have many designs that are going live today in the Diwali deal prices. So do not miss. By the end of the day it will be live on our website. Check this beautiful Kempu choker, Andy. This is also going live on sale. Then this beautiful piece and very low prices అండి, చాలా low prices వెళ్తున్నాయి, so do not miss. Then one more, this design is also going live in the deal price today. And check, it comes with this jhumki and a beautiful jhumki it comes. Then we are going live with this one more baby size choker and Kempu choker, beautiful choker. Prices and everything will be published on our Instagram, on our website today by end of the day, so do not miss. Ma'am, that is what I am telling you, ma'am. The website will be posting all this with prices on our website. By end of the day you can check our website. These are something like baby choker. Adults can also use it. Comes with this jhumki and we have many more designs that are going live today. This is another design, beautiful design. See this peacock design. So stay tuned to our website. We are updating the orders. We are updating website with new designs. So these are all limited stock. Whoever orders first will be getting this. And going to next design. Wow, this is also Tirupati Balaji Namam design. This is also going live on our website today, deal price. And yes, for those who don't know our website, it is Shubham SHUBAM Pearls, PARLS Pearls and jewelry.in is the website. And see this one piece. The actual price is 2900 rupees, but today this is also going on live on deals. And many more designs we have. See this design, this beautiful Nakshi amulet andi, Lakshmi Devi di chala baagundi. You can use it as amulet and choker. Then we have this Shiva Parvati. This is a baby choker and you can use it as amulet and also baby choker also. Yes, and this is one more design and that is going live. This peacock choker is also going live today. Beautiful baby choker and yes ma'am, these are all going live on website today. By end of the day you can check our website, everything will be posted. We are trying to update website parallelly, this designs. Then this one more design that is going live in the deal price, unbelievable prices, free shipping across India, so need not to worry. Yes, Hyderabad ma'am, we have store at Hyderabad. Geeta Garu, if you want bangles, you can check our website. There is a discount going on website and new bangles are already updated on website. For the website bangle orders, you can use the keyword Happy Diwali. You are getting an offer on that. And this prices already we are posting it as a Diwali deals. So these are already discounted prices that we are going to post on website. And then we have pearl chokers that are coming up. We have earrings, jhumkis, everything is there that is going live on the website with the exclusive deals. Do not miss. See this piece. This is also beautiful pearl necklace cum choker andi. Chala beautiful undi. Someone who doesn't want to take Lakshmi Devi designs or some peacocks, then they can opt this piece. And we have more designs that are coming up on website. We have jhumkis coming up. We have Ram Parivar necklace. Wow, this is one more design. This is a pearl choker, a Ram Parivar design. Comes with this earrings. Unbelievable prices. We are going to launch all of this today. Then we are coming up with many more designs. This piece, the actual price was $12.99. This is also going on sale today. Beautiful, one of our super hit design. This is, so everything is going to be live on the website. For prices, you can check our website, friends. Yes, we have Dashavatharam also in website. Everything is posted on website. We are trying to make sure that website is running very fast compared to the previous sessions. We have updated our website also. This is also one choker. Comes with this jhumki andi. Beautiful choker andi. Then this beautiful choker. See this piece. So these are all going live today. Stay tuned. Celebrate the festival. Beautiful pieces. And our website is www.shubhampearlsandjewelry.in, or you can search on Google Shubham Pearls and Jewelry. You'll get our Google page. In that website link is also given, friends. Or you can log into our Instagram handle, Facebook handle. Links are given over there in the profile. So everywhere we are trying to give everything in detail. Even though if you have any doubt, you can definitely reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Thank you. Have a good day. Happy Diwali in advance to everyone. Goodbye.